Hi guys, welcome to CAD C8 tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this body is designer. And guys, this body is very useful and helpful, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all process is learner easily. Okay guys, this product is a very looking perfect, and this is isometric view is also drawing this, and okay, this is a perfect, and this body is looking perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, and also back side is looking perfect, so nice here, this is a correct. Okay, and also this is zoom out, and this is a body is looking perfect, and all boundary is also looking so nice here, and this body is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, and how to drawing this design easily and clearly learner. Okay, 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 let's start here. This design is created here. Okay, okay, at first select this mechanical design and use this generative sheet metal design and use a part is correct, and at first select XY plane is select a positional sketch. Okay, this is a correct, and use a sweep and reverse vertical, this is a okay. And okay, at first select this created a center rectangle is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and some use corner is a this, okay, this is a 24 is correct, all is perfect, okay, and some use this dimension is okay, this is a perfect, and also this dimension is perfect. Okay, and this is a 310 is correct, and also this is a looking perfect, and also this is a 190 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and all dimension is also mentioned here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, length is 310 millimeter, and width is 190 millimeter is correct, and then this is a exit. Okay, at first select this set metal parameters, then other command is activated, and this set metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and this thickness is 1 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct, but this value is changeable. You can easily change here. Okay, this is a correct. At first select this wall is a correct, and this downward direction is upward because inward direction is used here, this is a correct. And then this sheet is created here, and this is a shading with S without smooth S, select here, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Also this face is select here, and this is a positional sketch is select here, and this is a sweep and reverse vertical, then okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and some use this offset command is very useful, and this is a anywhere select here, and this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a minus. Okay, this is a minus 12 is correct, this is a okay, and exit. Okay, all is looking perfect, and some use this surface stamp command is used, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, some surface stamp definition box is pop up and some value is changed here, and this angle is 90 degree is correct, and this height is a 35 millimeter is correct, and this preview is showing here, and this first radius is 6 millimeter, and again second radius is 8 millimeter is correct, and all preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, all body is looking perfect, and also this value is changed here. This is a 40 millimeter is correct, and this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and some use this create a boundary means use command a teardrop command is used here, and this length is 2 millimeter, and also this is a radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and some upper line is all is selected, and this use this is a correct. Okay, this is a all is select here, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this is a back side and front side is all both side is easily drawing here, and some use a material is apply here, and then use at first select at first click this shading with material is click here, and then use a material is metal, and metal is a steel, click OK, and this steel is right click, and then property is select here, and this reflectivity is very high, and use a this is a golden color is best, but also this color is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking so nice here, and use a this. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and also this is a boundary is correct, and this back side is also okay, this is a correct, and this tray design is very useful and very helpful. This tray is a all method is learn here easily, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys, this body is designed here easily and clearly, and all process is learn here easily, and guys I hope you will learn this design, this command is learn easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next project is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.